Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to the Saucy's Cruise In Fruit Cove. This used to be the PDQ Cruise In, if you know. If you're one of the old school ones that were out there. This is the first time back for this show in 6 months. While they were refitting the PDQ into the Saucy's. And it was just a great show. This is going to be our car show cam. There's not going to be a whole lot on it. We just kind of drive through and park and then drive back through on the way out. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you don't, if you're not into that, just move on to the next video because there's going to be several other videos from this show. Anyway, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. This is the first time back for this show since the PDQ closed in December. Or November, whatever it was, of last year, and it was kind of surprising how many cars came out because of the fact that the restaurant had been closed and it was the first time back in 6 months and all that nonsense. So it was just a good show. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. I'm gonna shut up now. We're gonna get you out to the car show. Let's rev it up them hot rods!
Walls humming on the blacktop streets. With walls humming on the blacktop streets. Polished wax under the neon glow. Nowhere left for the machines to go. Just the scent of friction in the air. With the bench seat waiting over there. Cruising into where the steam is gold. And Saucy's chicken stories getting told. Salt and crispy crust under the thumb. Feeling heat until the day is done. Grease and glory, golden brown and fried. With the taste of summer on the inside. With the taste of summer on the inside. Takeout boxes steaming in the tray. Chasing all the neon blues away. Golden light on every single fold, waiting for the heat to turn to gold. Salt is thick upon the fingertips, with a greasy smile on every pair of lips. Cruising into where the steam is gold. And Saucy's chicken stories getting told. Salt and crispy crust under the thumb. Feeling heat until the day is done. Grease and glory, golden brown and fried. With the taste of summer on the inside. With the taste of summer on the inside. Yeah, it's saucy. Yeah, it's saucy. Best crust in the world. Cruising out now.
Fenders catch the low-slung sun.
Don't park by the ATM.
100 stories one by one.
I feel more comfortable.
Polished steel reflecting every cloud, while the idling engines speak out loud. Dusty asphalt meets the radial line. A weekend ritual being perfect design.
Right there.
A perfect design. savory heat that the kitchen brings. Through the windows of the road being bought and sold. A community meeting where the grease and chrome make this parking lot feel just like home. Neighbors lean on the driver's door, talking about how the asphalt once wore. Generations trading the secrets of spark for the street lamps define the dark.
6, 7.
We polish the light and we savor the heat, bringing the whole neighborhood into the street.
The little 4-door, 4 rear.
That's odd.
Yeah, it's an oddball.
Down at Saucy's where the flavor clings, a savory heat that the kitchen brings. Through the windows of the road being bought and sold. A community meeting where the grease and chrome make this parking lot feel just like home. The heat fades into the indigo blue, passing the keys and the memories too. Saucy stays open and flex the weekend next year.
Kevin, is it? No, it's not Kevin. What is his name? Chuck, Charles, Rick?
Wait, what car?
Who the guy?
Oh, Charles.
Charles. I will remember all the
The asphalt shimmering,
I need to know the
sky
car.
is bruised and gold. Underneath the neon where the stories get retold.
It's my cousin.
Polished chrome and iron, lined up wing to wing, waiting for the heat to let the rubber and the rhythm swing. Ice cubes rattling in a mason jar of tea. Watching ghosts of gasoline chase shadows down the sea. Saucy steam is rising, sweet and heavy and heavy, with the scent of something fast and the tea we're meant to share. 2-barrel carbs are screaming for a little more to breathe, telling every heart around there's no reason left to leave. White smoke climbs the rafters like a prayer in the light. Just a little thunder for the start of the night. Ice cubes rattling in a mason jar of tea. Watching ghosts of gasoline chase shadows down the sea. Saucy steam is rising, sweet and heavy and heavy, with the scent of something fast and the tea we're meant to share.
Charles didn't know about your Burton, but he said, yeah, he wasn't right. Not his car. Well, he didn't see his car.
Ice cubes rattling in a mason jar of tea. A mason jar of tea. Watching ghosts of gasoline chase shadows down the sea.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Saucy's Cruise In, formerly the PDQ Cruise In of Fruit Cove. We hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed being at the show. I hope you guys get, sort of a feel of what the show was through our videos. And if you do, if you enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's really important. It helps the channel. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. We're at 389 right now. We got 111 to go. That's the first step. Anyway, your guys would help. It would be a great help to the channel if you guys would share these videos around, like them, Make sure you're a subscriber. We're going to keep going out to the shows regardless, but it would be nice to get a little bit of YouTube dollars to go along with it. So anyway, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to keep going out to the car shows and bringing them to you. So we'll see you guys out at the car show whenever and wherever they may be.